This one's a fun little play on words, but it makes me think of Forrest Gump when he's running. And the guy says, "Oh, you just stepped in a huge pile." And he looks and goes, "Oh, it happens." And then I don't know if you remember the bumper sticker. It was huge. I want to say in the 80s, maybe the 90s. It was so funny. But a little play on words. But I call this one Shift Happens. What does that mean? Well, this is what tanks us. When I'm thinking with this and not aligning this right here with this and not connecting them, I can get in my head, I can skew all sorts of stuff, and then I start to attach different meanings. So as I learn how to shift the mindset, how to shift the meaning and attach to the heart, I'm able to shift my way into actual progress. I'm able to shift into the positive things. Now, this isn't a woo-woo, just think happy thoughts and do positive affirmations and put stickies all over and you're going to be fine. I know a lot of people do that. I did that for a while. I called it fake it till you make it. And it worked for a little bit, but then I got more miserable because I felt so fake. But what I started finding is by asking the question, what else could this mean? In fact, write it down or memorize it. What else could this mean? Or is there a different way to view this? Those two questions help with a paradigmal shift. We're going to say that's a word. Maybe, maybe not. But we begin to shift our mindset. And when we do, we begin to see things completely different. I don't know if you remember back, I remember back when I was in school, they had those 3D pictures where you look at it, you can't see anything. And if you look at it long enough and stare and kind of blur, or if you just kind of move a little bit, all of a sudden you see, I remember one was a dinosaur. It's like all I had to do is just shift my eyes just a little bit and I could look at the same picture and see a complete different picture within the picture, all because I was able to shift my mindset. So today's question is this: with whatever is currently tying you up, whatever's holding you back, how do we shift the mindset? So how can we make shift happen so you are able to look from a different viewpoint, different vantage point, or ask what else could this mean to get a lesson or not a guideline, but a revelation or an insight that could help completely change your life just because you decided to make shift happen.